Well, it's a bit cold today, but I had to go out and take care of the tractor. So, yeah, I have to turn around the phone here. So I have to go out, even if it's a bit cold outside. Let's see here. Yeah, it's a little bit cold. Just a minute. There is for you use Fahrenheit. I had to go out because my tractor is the heater is broken on it. I have to take it loose and yeah, I have it and well, it's a bit cold outside, but I don't think I don't think this will take a long time. I have another camera too, and I'll put it somewhere here for you. Let's see here. I made a little arrangement here. Yeah, my little camera. Let's see here. It seems to be working, that little camera. Yeah. They are a bit stiff, I think. I think they have been sitting here since middle of the 60s or something like that. It's yeah. It's a bit stuck here, I think. Maybe I have to get some kind of saw. Cut off these lines. I have some tools, so yeah, this is like great. I have to fill up the antifreeze later. I go soaking in the morning. Antifreeze. It's good to have. There. Got it. Yeah, that's it. I have to take this one inside now. Well, let's see here. I have to check if it's wires, electric connections. Is that I don't have to buy a new one, but I have to have it on this old. Well, this looks quite right. Well, let's see here if it's a cable or if it's inside the heater here. Well, let's see. Red one is which one of these are red? That one is the red one. That's ground. Let's see, there's the light one. Must be that one. Yeah, that one is okay too. And this one, shit, is okay too. It must be something else, something inside. Perhaps it's just broken because it have been here so long. There's maybe that one is okay. I'll try to put it in water so it don't break. Yeah, this is working. That's good. Yeah, it's working. It was just the fuse. It wasn't easy to find out there in the cold because the fuse was frozen. Well, I just have to put it together again and hope for milder weather. Just putting it together and I have to heat up this that I cut off the tractor. I have to heat them up so I'm able to put them back on this, and I have to buy some antifreeze because it ran out, and I had to do it Sunday. No, not today. Monday. Monday I get my pension, and with those awful gas prices we have, it's not easy. You have to plan. You have to plan very careful so you can go. We are having very much gas prices. It works. Well, that was that. If I had pushed the fuse button, maybe I didn't have to take it loose, but yeah, it's easy to know something when you have checked it up, but well, I don't have to buy a new one anyway. It's expensive, over $100 for one motor heater. Well, I'll be back when I put the heater back on the tractor. I don't think I go out more today because, let me see. Now it's even colder, so I'll stay inside and enjoy the warmth inside. Bye for now.